Okay, so I'm quickly doing this in my kitchen. I'm going to show you how to create a messenger ad from start to finish. These are amazing. So Facebook just rolled these out about a week or two ago, and essentially now it allows us to retarget anyone that messaged your business page. So if people were inquiring about a product, or if they were inquiring about a webinar, or anything really asking about your services, you can now retarget them with an ad that shows up within Messenger. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do this and then also what it looks like within Messenger. So we're at the ad set level for a retargeting campaign at the moment, but I'm going to start it from start to finish. Actually, I'm just going to show you the one I've created. So we're going to go in here and I'm going to rename this one because it's actually this one. I just saved it, so I just did this a moment ago. Okay, so this is the ad set level. So let's go in here and I'll show you what's happening in here. So essentially, when you're creating a messenger ad, there is a couple important things to know. And the first thing is that with the placement, under the placement, essentially you want to make sure you select messenger. And obviously when you select this, you can't have anything else in there. Now this means that your ad is going to be placed within Messenger. Makes sense, right? The second thing to know is that you can only optimize for impressions, and you also must have a manual bid. So Facebook by default will do this anyways. So I'm going to take you through and let's recreate one as if we were doing one from scratch. All right, so as soon as you click Edit Placements and then Messenger, watch what happens. It's going to ask you to actually select the page from the ad set. Normally you would do this from the ad level, but when you're doing a Messenger ad, you have to do it from the ad set. And then it's going to ask you a custom audience. I'm going to show you in a moment how to create this, but we're just going to select the one we've created, so people that messaged in the last 365 days. That's probably a bit excessive. We might create a different one. And then you can have, exclusions and locations and all the normal stuff that you might have in there. All right, and you set your budget just like anything else. And then you're gonna name your ad set, but this is just a test. And then you're gonna click continue. And it looks pretty similar to what you normally see, right? So you're gonna select a photo. Let's just pick a photo. And you're going to select the URL that you want, so as if you're adding a link, and then the text. So this is my ad. And your call to action, and also your headline. So this is what you guys would have seen anyways when you saw my own message showing you this message. So it shows up in the Messenger placement, and this is what it looks like. Now you can also track conversions, you can add URL parameter, you can do all of the stuff you normally could with a normal ad. It's just the design, the format is slightly different, and obviously now it's showing up in Messenger. So I'm going to cancel out of this one because we don't want to save this. But what I want to show you is how to create a custom audience to target people that have messaged you, because you absolutely must select one of those custom audiences for this to work. So we're going to go under audiences, and we're essentially going to create a custom audience of engagement on Facebook. Now this one's really cool as well, because look, now we can retarget lots of different people. So people who visited the page, people who engaged with a post, people who clicked a call to action, people who messaged. There it is here. We're going to select the page that we want, and we might do 20 days here. Messenger audience, and then 20 days. Click create, and voila, our audience is now ready to be used in a Messenger placement ad. Super simple, but really, really powerful stuff. All right, so watch this space as I share with you more tactics and strategies on ways to use this placement effectively for your own marketing and business strategies.